Hey, what if we designed a spaceship like it's the 1980s? Let's break that idea down. First, we need to understand the design language of that era. Straight lines, rounded corners, that gray plastic material, bold stripes or stickers wrapping around, grooved surfaces, kinda like the body of an Atari. So with those ingredients in mind, let's jump into some early sketches. We start with a transparent box which works as sculpting clay. We can carve into it or add stuff on. I'm keeping the lines straight and sharp, which fits the 80s style. That decade had this chunky industrial design language, unlike the curvier styles before or after. Here I place the door. In the back, there's this big wing, and just under it, the jet engine. The design feels a lot like the Alfa Romeo Navao. I started adding some values to show the form and gave that stripe a rainbow gradient to make it more like the Atari 2600. Now the second one, I wanted it to look like a Super Nintendo turned into a hover car. Right in the center, where the game cartridge would go, I put the cockpit. It's even shaped a bit like the Sega Genesis slot. At the back, there's a jet engine and a bunch of pipes. And I added side vents to make it look functional, but still toy-like. The third design is warped version of the Jaguar Ascot, still keeping those 80s straight lines, but this one's got more aggressive, sharp edges. The fenders are beveled. The hood has some geometric cuts, and I imagine it being transparent so you can see the engine underneath. At the rear, there's a big trunk mounted jet engine, plus a couple of extra exhausts sticking out the back. This one's more of a sport car, kind of a Lamborghini inspired hover tank. It has the short roof typical of old supercars, but I'm pushing it towards something tougher, a battle machine. So I added armor plating, rivets and headlights guards. The back still has a jet engine, but the shape is wider. And finally, I circled back and reworked the first design, made a few changes, simplified the silhouette, and added some fun console details. I'm leaning toward this one. In the next episode, we will add more details and color and mood. Make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.